Welcome to the Capricorn new moon, a celestial event of significance taking place today, January 11th. A special new moon that falls on 111. As the moon aligns with the sun, it ushers in a period of new beginnings and fresh starts. Particularly for those born under the sign of this lunar event, is a powerful time for all zodiac signs to set intentions and plan for the future. Look to your rising sign to see what areas of life you will be planting new seeds of structure. For Aries, it's about career goals. Taurus, it's time to broaden your horizons. Gemini, focus on transformations. Cancer, partnerships are key. Leo, streamline your daily routines. Virgo, it's about creativity. Libra, home is where your heart is. Scorpio, communicate more. Sagittarius, focus on personal finances. Aquarius, embrace solitude. Pisces, it's about friendships. Remember, during this Capricorn new moon, harness its energy for personal growth and decision-making. As the stars align, so can your aspirations and dreams. Embrace the mystique, welcome the possibilities, and let the universe guide your journey.